Welcome to this video about plug and play, one of the most important technologies that makes using computers easier. Plug and play, often abbreviated as PNP, is a technology that allows devices to be automatically recognized and configured by your operating system as soon as they are connected. No complicated setup, no manual installation, just plug it in and use it. Plug and play is a technology that enables your computer to instantly recognize and configure devices without requiring you to manually install drivers or restart your system. In simple terms, it means you can connect a device to your computer and start using it immediately. The operating system automatically detects what device you have connected and figures out how to make it work. Plug and play brings several important advantages. First, it provides instant recognition of devices the moment you plug them in. Second, it saves time by eliminating manual installation procedures. Third, it is extremely user-friendly because you don't need any technical expertise. Fourth, it supports hot swapping, which means you can connect and disconnect devices without restarting your computer. For plug and play to work, 4 components are essential. First, your computer's BIOS or UEFI firmware must detect and identify hardware devices during startup. Second, you need PNP-compliant devices that broadcast their presence when connected. Third, appropriate drivers are needed so your operating system can communicate with the device. Fourth, the operating system itself must have software that manages resource allocation and device configuration. Plug and play technology offers many advantages. It provides simple setup with no complicated procedures. It enables fast deployment, meaning devices work immediately after connection. It reduces costs because support and installation expenses are lower. It is accessible to everyone regardless of technical knowledge. It provides flexibility by allowing easy device swapping and compatibility. And finally, it mitigates errors by automating configuration rather than relying on manual steps. Despite its benefits, plug and play has some challenges. Driver conflicts can occur when device drivers don't match the operating system properly. Not all hardware strictly follows PNP standards, causing inconsistency issues. Some devices still require manual configuration steps even with PNP support, and integration with older legacy systems and protocols can be problematic. You encounter plug and play technology every day. When you connect a USB mouse or keyboard, it is automatically recognized. When you plug in headphones or speakers, they are instantly configured. Mobile phones connected via USB are recognized without manual setup. Printers, both network and local ones, are auto-detected. Monitors automatically configure their display resolution. Even docking stations recognize laptop peripherals when connected. Plug and play technology has fundamentally transformed how we connect devices to computers. By enabling instant device recognition and automatic configuration, it has eliminated complex manual setup procedures. This technology continues to enhance user experience across all modern operating systems, making technology more accessible and user-friendly for everyone, whether they are beginners or experienced users.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.